Hey Alex, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Hi, Jake. Not really. I was thinking about just relaxing at home. What about you?
I'm planning to go hiking on Saturday. The weather is supposed to be nice. Would you like to join me?
Hiking sounds great. I haven't done that in a while. Where do you want to go?
I was thinking about going to Blue Mountain Park. It has some beautiful trails, and the views from the top are amazing.
That sounds perfect. How long do you think the hike will take?
It usually takes about 3 to 4 hours, depending on how fast we go. We can take our time and enjoy the scenery.
Sounds good. Should we pack some snacks and water for the hike?
Definitely. We should bring some sandwiches, fruit, and maybe some energy bars. I can bring the drinks too.
Great, I'll prepare the snacks then. Should we meet at your place around 9 a.m.?
Yes, that works for me. We can leave by 9:30 and avoid the crowd.
Perfect. Do you think we need to bring anything else, like a first aid kit?
It wouldn't hurt to have one just in case. I have a small one at home, so I can bring that too.
Awesome! I'll make sure to wear comfortable shoes. I don't want to get blisters during the hike.
Good idea. And maybe we should check the weather forecast before we go. If it looks bad, we can always postpone. Agreed, but it should be fine. I'm looking forward to this. It's been a while since we hung out outdoors. Same here. It will be nice to catch up and enjoy nature. By the way, have you seen the new cafe that opened near the park? No, I haven't. What's it like? I heard they have great coffee and some delicious pastries. We can stop there after the hike for a treat. That sounds perfect. A nice way to relax after our hike. Exactly. All right, I'll see you on Saturday at 9 a.m. Looking forward to it? See you then.
Plans. I'm planning to visit my grandparents this weekend. Do you have any plans for the holidays? Repeat 10 seconds. Relaxing. I love relaxing by the beach with a good book. After a long day at work, I enjoy relaxing with some music. Repeat 10 seconds. Hiking. We're going hiking in the mountains this weekend. Have you ever gone hiking in the national park? Repeat 10 seconds. Weather. Don't forget to bring enough water for the hike. I drink a lot of water to stay hydrated. Repeat 10 seconds. Meet. Let's meet at the cafe before we head to the park. We're planning to meet at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Repeat 10 seconds. Blisters. I got blisters from wearing new shoes during the hike. Wearing thick socks can help prevent blisters. Repeat 10 seconds. First aid kit. It's always good to carry a first aid kit when hiking. We used the first aid kit when someone got a small cut. Repeat 10 seconds. Postpone. We had to postpone our trip because of the storm. If it rains, we might have to postpone the event. Repeat 10 seconds. Pastries. The cafe near the park has delicious pastries. I bought some pastries to enjoy with my tea. Repeat 10 seconds. Treat. After the hike, I'll treat you to some ice cream. As a treat, we went to a nice restaurant after the long walk. Repeat 10 seconds.